There's more money!
What are you trying to prove, Surly?
Raccoon, it's not stable!
Why are you doing this? Tell me!
Buddy! Attaboy, pal!
Ah, the shiny! Give it to me! Not so fast, thief!
Look! Surly and Raccoon! They'll go over the falls! Everyone, come on!
Whoa!
I got you! Don't let go! Hold on! You can do it! Raccoon, climb up!
Let go! No, don't let go!
We can save both of you! Hurry!
Never! You backstabbing vermin! Surly goes down with me!
Buddy, that was some score. We almost pulled it off, didn't we?
Surly! Don't you dare let go!
I'm sorry, Andy.
What?
No! Surly, no! Ah!